And we greet every indigenous, tribe, state, wherever you may march from. But of course, I want to welcome the people that joined us tonight.
Fajabijo Ndogalanya, Fayila Ndogalanya, Panabogo Feluka Wonderful, Kunamugo.
Put your hands up.
Thank you for everybody for coming.
Thank everybody that is here. This is the joy of brothers. So we need people to understand that when you need a celebration, it's not everybody will call, people will come. It's good to celebrate and it's good to remember your brothers. I will be our brother keeper and let the peace reign. That's why I stand here. I said that my foundation, SNO Foundation, is going to unite my village, Esago. That is why I do it, because I have stand to make it rain. Thank you, my brothers.
Essa é a nossa